Question 17. If a rectangle has an area of 50 centimeters squared, what could its dimensions be? So remember, to get an area, you've got to do length times width. So we're basically looking for two numbers together that is going to give us the 50 centimeters squared. I'm just going to write 50 centimeters squared on there. I'm going to write a question mark for the width and a question mark for the length. So it's just numbers that times together to make 50. So we could do it in a little table. So we can have 1 times 50 or 50 times 1. We could have 2 times 25. 3 won't work because that won't go into 50. 4 won't go into 50. 5 will though. 5 times 10. 6 won't work. 7 doesn't divide into 50. 8 doesn't divide into 50. 9 doesn't divide into 50, but 10 does. So 10 would work 5 times. Now, because we're going through these in order and we've started to repeat ourselves, that means we don't need to keep going. Because if we did keep going, the next one we'd get to would be 25. 11 doesn't work, 12 doesn't work, 13 doesn't, 14 doesn't, 15 doesn't, 16 doesn't, 17 doesn't, 18 doesn't, 19 doesn't, 20 doesn't go into 50, 21 doesn't, 22 doesn't, 23 doesn't, 24 doesn't, 25 does. So 25 divides into 50 twice, but we're just starting to repeat ourselves now. So that's basically it. So the dimensions could be 50 by 1, 25 by 2, or 10 by 5. So there are 3 different answers for this. Any one of those answers is correct.